Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here and welcome you all to my channel. So thank you for subscribing my channel. So we are reaching more than 15,000 subscribers and thank you all my YouTube subscribers. And so this video I'm just going to discuss about my premium group on charting. So what are the scanners that are available on our premium group? So that many people are asking about what the scanners you have. So that I'm going to explain, and how my scanner is different from others. That is also I'm going to discuss in this video. And before that, we are not making such a good videos in last 1 month. So because of I'm just preparing for one of the NISM exam, so that I have successfully cleared that particular exams also. Thanks for your support on my channel. And that particular exam is for my developing my knowledge on currency market and bond market. So because we are an AMFI registered mutual fund distributors, we are doing the mutual fund distribution, and there so in debt market we have to have some knowledge, and also equity derivative. One are the new product which is going to be launched, which is not yet launched at any, but SIF, systematic investment, specialized investment fund. So that's going to be launched soon, maybe next month or by this quarter. So in many of the AMC. So for that, it required NISM Series 13. So that we have successfully cleared that exam. So that I want to share how just I cleared this particular exam, and I just scored around 103.25. It is a negative mark one. So when you are wrongly answer any question, that would be a 0.25% negative. So it is a consist of three examinations. So like equity derivative series 8, and currency derivative NISM series 1, and interest rate derivative, that is I think series 4. So combinedly, so this is what three books required to complete, and three separate exams are combined here. So up to 150 marks, so we have to score around 90, that is 60%. So we successfully cleared, I successfully cleared around 68.83. So among 150, I just left 3, and 147 I just answered, and from there 112 is successful. That is correct answers, and almost 35 questions is wrong. And because it is a very tough in case of currency questions. So like asking the currencies and different calculations they asked. So it is very tough, but finally we cleared. So almost 103 is the total marks, and 68.3%. That's why I can't able to make some regular videos on my channel because of preparing for this exam. So hereafter you will be getting good videos regarding the scanners and screeners, which helping you to find out good stocks in a charting. And that is what this is what an update, and this is mainly for a system specialized investment product investment fund, which is going to be launched. That minimum ticket size of that fund is around 10 lakh. So for to distribute that particular specialized investment fund, so we need this certification. So why I just completed, and I have already NISM mutual fund, and I have one more certificate on PMS distribution, that is portfolio management. So you may be getting more videos on portfolio management and mutual funds, and also this kind of specialized investment fund, because all three. So we have a valid certificate, and my NISM research analyst, I am just holding a research analyst certificate from 2017 to 2025. So last April 1, 2025, that RA research analyst certificates and expired. So I'm not posting maybe in previous video MSc I'm certified, but right now my certificate got expired on this particular category. So I'm not just mentioning anywhere. I'm not a SEBI certified research analyst. That certification is expired. And also I have individually equity derivative 8, and that is also expired on April 1, 2025. But this particular series 13, which consists of equity derivative currency derivative and also bond market, the interest rate derivative. So this is consist of equity derivatives also. So I have just leave that equity, let it expire, and also I'm not doing any kind of this research things, and because I'm not registered, so that qualification. So I just leave it at that expiry. I am currently holding some three NISM, some mutual fund and PMS and this equity derivatives. These are all my NISM certification which I have currently I'm holding right now. So this is the reason. So many videos are not came into the past month. Okay, I'm preparing for this from January, and now I successfully completed this one. Okay, so let's come to the thing on charting scanners. So how many charting scanners which are created, and I also doing a lot of scanners and screeners which I have created with charting, and how it is different from others. So most of the scanners which are used on custom indicator. That custom indicator is nothing about in charting we can compare either two variables only, but our scanners we can compare more than two. Okay, so that is main thing which we are using on our custom indicator, and many scanners which you have created. For example, if you want to find some scanners which forming such a pattern, like Camarilla is the biggest formula to find out a pivot level based on the Camarilla pivot. So we have created already a custom indicator. So that will help us to find out some easiest way. For an example, if penny stocks opens about to the Camarilla R4, so we can simply create with that in a single line. So for an example, that open greater than Camarilla R4, so we have already created. So this will help us to find out only one line, but there is a customized. We are creating that condition that will help us to how many stocks which is opened above Camarilla R4. So you can change it any of the things. So if I'm just looking for a PI Industries yesterday, maybe a future stock, and last trading session Dixon SRF, that simply it opens above to the R4. So maybe you can check with charts also. That you can check these are all the stocks which forms. Well, for an example, I will take any one of the stock from the list. So maybe Indalco something is there. We try pivot point standard is the formula. So to find out Camarilla. So after that you have to change the settings from here. That is from Camarilla. Okay, so whenever whatever the things which you are required, that only you can change. I don't want to S1, S2. So if you are removing that, I need only R4 right now. So here up to S5 is there. So we have created already S5 also. So S4. So let me take on daily time frame or 15 minutes time frame. You can see this is an R4. Today's open is greater than the R4. Let me try for a PI Industries. This is open. This is an R4 level where we find the R4 at to the open. Open is greater than the R4. Simply we are finding with the scanner which help you to find out the stocks which meeting the condition with the scanner. What the condition we are writing, if that means that will be filter out. Someone was asking what are the scanners you are. So that's why I just making some list of scanners which is available on my Telegram group. So what are the scanners are available in my Telegram group? So these are the candlesticks patterns like a single, double, triple candlesticks pattern. So like hammer, shooting star, such a kind of pattern, and gap scanner, technical gap up, normal gap up, technical gap down, something gap up scanners. Bollinger Band based like a narrow, so something we have created. And a breakout scanner, these are all the pivot point breakout or something like R4 breakout, S4 breakout, something like that R5, S4, S3, something kind of pivot point levels to be break. So which you have created, that is also available in our Telegram group. The Camarilla, so you know, but just now we've seen that a Camarilla is the pivot level. So based on that, we have created multiple scanners, Camarilla, and CPR based also we have created RSI based and ADR. ADR is the trading view based indicator. We are created customized way to find out such a stock which is breaking the scanner. And swing scanners, we have some of the swing scanners and BTST. It's about a scanner which help you to find out the stocks. After that, whether it is a good to trade or not, you have to decide. So the scanner is helping you to find out those stocks which forming a such a pattern. That is what very important. And as some oscillator based also you have created, and price action like fair value gap, order block, supply demand, like RBR, rally based rally, drop based drop, kind of things also available. And ADR scanners, that is already mentioned here, also mentioned ADR scanner. And something like price based wick reversal, CPR plus Camarilla. So these are all the scanners which is available on my Telegram group. So where if you are required our group, and that is a lifetime access of one time charges. More detail you can just see the WhatsApp number in my video itself. Just ping me, or the direct link of the WhatsApp which is available on the description. You just contact through number to get more details about my scanners group. If you're interested, you can join on that also, access a lifetime about all my scanner. And whatever the scanners which I am going to create in future, that is also going to be shared on the group only. No further extra charges. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. If you are new, kindly subscribe the channel. Thank you.